Altimeter and barometer know-how and troubleshooting. The barometric altimeter Garmin used on outdoor watches utilize the fact that air pressure's change of weather will be slower than mountaineering, and will train to increase your altitude while pressure rapidly changes. Besides, it will automatically switch between barometer and altimeter 2 modes by continuous monitoring of air pressure. However, the following factors might increase the inaccuracy of barometer and altimeter. When you are moving at high speed, the sensor will sense a strong wind velocity. Air conditioner causes indoor and outdoor temperature differences resulting in rapid temperature changes. Or soap, debris, and silt in sweats block sensor ports. If your inaccuracy data is caused by debris, you can try to ring your device with low-pressure warm water. Please note, do not put any objects into the sensor port, it could damage the sensor inside. Thanks for watching.